Like most homeowners, you've probably got a drawer somewhere in your house that looks like this. It's every manual, every warranty card, every receipt that goes with every system or appliance in your house. Your fridge, washing machine, water heater, even toaster and coffee maker. The problem is the longer you live in your home and the more stuff you buy, the more cluttered your life becomes. What if there was a way to see all of the important information for all of the products in your home on your phone whenever you needed it? With the HomeServe app, just snap a picture of the make and model of your appliance from its product ID. The app gathers and then stores all of the important information like owner's manuals, how-to videos, and links to replacement parts. You can also store digital copies of your receipts right in the app. The HomeServe app becomes a virtual catalog of everything in your home. And it can do much more than keeping you organized. It can also keep you safe. The app will send you alerts when recalls are issued for any of your products. You can even add your own videos with critical information for your home, like the location of a shutoff valve in case of an emergency. The app also makes DIY projects that much simpler with useful how-to videos for all of your stuff. You can easily find important replacement parts like filters through online retailers with a simple click. This app will send you reminders so you can put your home maintenance on autopilot. What else? The exact paint color for your walls and trim, the size and style of light bulbs. You can add pretty much anything you own to the app. It's that easy. Now the only thing to do is figure out what to do with all this paper.